Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, but today we're gonna install my Billet Technology oil catch can. This is the fender mount. I know it's a little dirty. I opened it earlier, as you can tell. Just got off work. Comes with all that, how I spec'd it, and some instructions. So this will be interesting. So let's get to it. Alright you guys, so what you guys want to do is you get 4 hose ends. Just these little things. So it's all the other side. Yeah. So what you're gonna do is put one on each side. You're just gonna insert them. Same with the other one. Do the same thing. And then just insert right here for now. And we'll get back to you right after that. Alright you guys, as I was saying, this goes right there. So, tap right here. So what you're gonna do is okay. These guys, put them right here. If it was going. Just like that. Now you can tighten it into 3/4. Just so you know. Okay. That's good enough. And after, your catch can. What you want to do is get this hose around the windshield washer. And you can just pull it straight. And hook it up. So now let's see how it's going. Alright, show you guys, I'm back, but I just had to go get this real quick. So this goes right in here. And yes, it should be pointing that way. Just so you guys know. Alright. After that, we gotta hook these things up. So, alright guys, so from here you want to figure out where you want it to go through. Okay. I used, since I want to keep using my cover, I'm gonna have it go through here. So I set this and saw how I wanted it. So example, put them right here. Okay. I would just go a little bit. Alright guys, so I just cut these. You can use a razor blade. The hose is cut really easily. And then you're gonna want to take the whole piece off, but you want to keep these things. Okay. So this one's right here, and that one's right there. Because that's what's going. That's how you're gonna connect these. The hoses to it. What you want to do is get your fittings. So to get the things off, I used a flathead, and I also twisted. So I twisted it to try to make it come off easier. It might be a little tough, just so you guys know. So yeah. There we go. Oh. Nope. Okay. Cool. Okay. Let's see this. So it don't fit. So what you want to do? Get one hose, put that in, put this in, go. I want you to. So that one's gonna go like this. So I'm gonna put this. Ooh, it's warm. Okay. So I'm gonna put this one in first. Oh, it's a little loose. That one a lot, so just a second. Alright, you guys, I just checked and that's correct. So put this one right here. For some reason it's a little loose. I mean, if I flip like that, it's still a little loose. Hoping it should be fine. Right there. We'll go like that. Put that in there. Okay. And then get this one, put it in here. Sorry, there's some plastic on it. Okay, there we go. That in. Okay, there we go. Now you gotta make sure that this is all nice and tight. So these are still gotta tighten the catch can a little bit more, obviously. Make sure that these are all good. I would rather be safe than sorry, so I'm gonna get some zip ties real quick. Only cause I'd rather be safe than sorry, right? be right back. Let's do this. Tight as possible. As tight as I can get it. Okay. And make sure that you cut this excess off. I'll do in a bit. But besides that, I would say we're all done. So here, let's see what it would look like. Engine cover. If you ask me, I mean, I don't think it's that bad. So. Looks like normal. Just got 2 hoses. And this is useful now. But like I said, just want to tighten these up. And if you want to put zip ties, go for it. Just cut off the excess. But besides that, I mean, that's the end of the video. So thanks for watching. And stay tuned for the next one. Bye.